Hi everyone, it's Miss Darlington here. I want to welcome you to my polyrhythms video. Polyrhythms are when you play two rhythms simultaneously. The two that we're going to learn about in this video are 2 versus 3. So we've got eighth notes versus triplets and 3 versus 4. Triplets versus 16th notes. The first polyrhythm that we are going to be working on today is 2 versus 3. This is what 2 versus 3 looks like. So as we can see here, the top has triplets and the bottom has eighth notes. In the image I use, these have pitches. That can happen, but today we are just going to be working on the percussive sound, so it'll all be the same pitch. It's now time to hear what the 2 versus 3 polyrhythm sounds like. I'm going to start with both hands, the complete puzzle, and then break it down to our left and our right hands. Here goes both hands. Let's see what my left hand is doing. After I'm going to ask, is my left hand doing triplets or eighth notes? Triplets or eighth notes? If you're thinking triplets, you're correct. If you notice, every 3 taps, I'm accenting the notes. That's going to be important when we put our hands together because it helps keep our grouping. Now let's listen to what the right hand sounds like. Since my right hand is playing the eighth notes, I'm accenting every 2 notes. Again, that helps when we group it later. Now, before we try both hands together, I'm going to teach you guys some tricks that'll make this a lot easier. On this slide, you'll see my 2 approaches to learning the 2 versus 3 polyrhythm. The first is the phrase, George Washington. I'm going to play the polyrhythm and speak George Washington for you. Ready? Here I go. George Washington, George Washington. Can you speak that as I play this time? Ready? Here we go. George Washington, George Washington, George Washington, George Washington. How did it go? Let's try the second strategy. The second strategy is please pass the peas, please pass the peas. Listen once as I play and speak. Ready? Here I go. Please pass the peas, please pass the peas, please pass the peas, please pass the peas. Try speaking that with me as I play. Ready? Here we go. Please pass the peas, please pass the peas, please pass the peas, please pass the peas. How did that go? Now it's time to try to put our hands together. Let's use the strategy, please pass the peas. When we use the strategy, please pass the peas, we're actually going to be going, this is in very slow motion, both, left, right, left. Both, left, right, left. Speak please pass the peas while I speak both left, right, left. Ready, speak. Both, left, right, left. Both, left, right, left. How'd it go? This time speak both left, right, left with me. Ready, here we go. Both, left, right, left. Both, left, right, left. How did that go? So feel free to rewind in this video and practice going slowly. Both, left, right, left. Both, left, right, left. Please pass the peas. Please pass the peas. Then, once you get out of tempo you feel good, practice doing that rhythm without speaking anything. Like this. Ready? Here we go. Have fun practicing, and I hope you get please pass the peas. started our 3 versus 2 polyrhythm. Please pass the piece, please pass the piece. Are you able to see the 2 versus 3? Awesome. All right, let's move on. We're going to do 3 versus 4 polyrhythms. All right, guys, as we can see from the image, we've got triplets on top and 16th notes on the bottom. This could be flipped. You could have 16th notes on top and triplets on the bottom. It really doesn't matter. But why don't we take a chance and listen to what this sounds like? All right, guys, here's what the 3 versus 4 polyrhythm sounds like. A little different than the 2 versus 3, but with some of the tricks that I know, you too will be doing this very soon. Alright y'all, so the first thing to learn this 3 versus 4 polyrhythm is practicing our hands separately. Let's start with our right hand. Our right hand is going to be playing the triplets in our rhythm. Listen to me first. Did you notice how every 3 beats I accented the note? I made it stronger. Join me this time. Ready? Here we go. Down. How did it go? If it went well, keep moving in the video. If you'd like more practice, feel free to rewind or pause to practice on your own. Let's go ahead and grab our left hand. Our left hand is going to be doing our 16th notes. Listen to me once. Did you notice how every 4 beats I accented the first note? If you did, great. If not, that's okay. Try it with me this time. We're going to be accenting every 4 notes. Get your left hand ready. Ready, here we go. How did it go? If you need to pause the video and practice this at a slower tempo, that is okay. If you're feeling ready to combine hands, keep going. So I only know one sentence strategy for 3 versus 4 polyrhythm. It goes like, pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter. Join me this time. Ready? Here we go. Pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter. Now when I do that with my hands, it sounds like this. Try speaking pass the bread and butter while I make the sound with my hands. Ready? Here we go. Question, what word in pass the bread and butter is the accented word? Take a moment to think. If you're thinking pass, you're right. So on pass, it's pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter. Great. I'm going to break it down now how each hand moves in that phrase so we can do both hands together. Okay, here is it at our super slow speed with the hand names that you use as you use it. So it'll go both, left, right, left, both, left, right, left, both, left, right, left, both, left, right, left. How did you do? Feel free to rewind and do it at that slower tempo with me. If you're ready to go at a faster tempo, keep going. Okay, y'all, it's time to put our skills to the final test. Let's listen once as I play this at our final tempo for this video. Pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter. Join me this time. Ready? Here we go. Pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter, pass the bread and butter. Let's do it without speaking the words this time. Think them in your head. Ready? Here we go. Okay, y'all. Let's speak one more thing. Let's say which hands we're using. Listen once. Both, left, right, left, both, left, right, left, both, left, right, left, both, left, right, left. Tongue twister for me. Do it with me this time. Ready? Here we go. Both, left, right, left, both, left, right, left, both, left, right, left, both, left, right, left. All right, y'all, I hope you had a good time learning about our 2 versus 3 and 3 versus 4 polyrhythms. Feel free to keep practicing these and show me how fast you can do them later in the school year. Have a great day and keep making music.